Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen again, and today in Calgary it is raining and it is pretty cold. It is only like 10 degrees today and in the mid of summer. So we are going to make a hot pakoras, and this is just a plain Sada pakora or plain pakoras. So let's see how to make that. So the first step is for us to mix all the batter, then let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we will deep fry them. So we begin by adding the besan, 2 cups. And I also have a whisk next to me, and we add all the dry ingredients, so please refer to that. Next step is to mix all the added ingredients and whisk it well. Just make sure that all the spices and everything operates with the flour. And now we can add water a little bit at a time. It's a cold water. I'm just adding half of it and then mix it up. And you can add water if you are running out of water and it needs to be a thick batter. So we can add till we see that the batter requires much or not. So it must be an airy batter. So I may need more. I'll be back. The batter is ready now, and we need to let it rest for at least about 10 minutes before we start frying, and also we can start turning on the stove. And dear viewers, the oil is pretty hot, and now we can turn it down to a medium high, and also we will test the batter a little bit if it's really hot or not. Yes, it is hot, and now we can start frying them. So for that I'm going to use ice cream scoop, the smallest size, and with that now we will start frying by dropping them one by one. We will fry them until golden brown, and in between we will just flip them time to time until it becomes golden brown with the meat. After that it's ready to be served. So I believe, dear viewers, it's kind of ready. Now we can remove that as the bubbling sound is getting reduced, and so now we can I believe it is already been cooked inside as well. So now we can remove them and start serving with a cup of chai. Dear viewers, this is our Sada pakora which has been made. So you saw the basic steps how to be done, and all the ingredients are listed in the description box and in the beginning of the video. So please take a look on it and try it out yourself. And this is going to be my comfort food for the cold rainy day. So today it is a rainy day, so I've already made this and I'm going to enjoy. So I hope you will try this in your kitchen. So for those who are new, welcome aboard. For those who have been with me, thank you very much. And I'm ending off my video very short time. I do not know what am I going to cook the next, but I'll be cooking something. So I will see you in my next video. Signing off, Friday Friendly Kitchen. See you soon. Bye bye for now.